but it's not stopping the slay train, okay? Giddy up. Choo choo. Okay, listen. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. So today's video is brought to you by IShowBeauty. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. Now you're gonna want to see this install because let me tell you, she did not look like this out the pack. The ease that it took for me to style this unit, the gluelessness, okay, the price point. Listen, get ready. You hear me? You may want to get her, okay? Ooh, I ain't got my ring on. Sorry, Kenny, but yeah, y'all know I'm married. So before we get into this install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I feel like I can do anything.
Okay, did y'all see that install? Did y'all see that install? So like I said, this unit comes to us from IShowBeauty. It is their straight virgin lace front wig. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $64.66. Get your change purse. Get your change purse now. Now, obviously, depending on the specs you get for your unit, the price can go up. This unit comes in a 13x4 lace parting space, 8 to 26 inches, and 150 or 180% density. For my unit, I got the 18 inches and 180% density, and my unit is $160.69. I mean, Can we get some love up in here, y'all? Because listen, it's raining outside, it's storming, so if you hear that, I'm sorry, but it's not stopping the sleigh train, okay? Giddy up. Choo choo. Okay, listen. Now, if you saw my install, you saw how this unit looked out the pack, and let me just say, we got her all the way together. Okay, when I say all the way together, I mean all the way together. I was not so sure about this unit out the pack. I didn't know what I wanted to do with her. I knew her hairline wasn't really giving what I needed it to give, but I knew that I didn't really have the patience or the time to sit here and pluck that joint up. I didn't feel like doing it, okay? And I know not all of you guys want to sit there and pluck your units either. I know not all wig companies pluck their units, especially when they're in a cheaper price point, which this one is. So with that being said, I had to give you guys a style that was easy to do, easy to finesse, and y'all, look, we made it, didn't we? We made it, sis. There is no glue whatsoever on this unit. I got my hands on my hips, Lord. There is no glue whatsoever on this unit because I wanted to wear her glueless. So I do have on my wig grip, and I actually did something new that I've never done for a unit before. I took the adjustable straps on the unit and I hooked them together and then put this unit on my head to give me a snug fit. And y'all, I'm actually like really liking how this is fitting, okay? It's not going nowhere. If I, decide to swing my hair around, I'm not gonna do it right now though, because she in place. But if I wanted to, I could, and she's secure. You hear me? Also, the hair texture feels amazing. Out the pack, she does come a little wavy, but it is a straight unit. The waviness just came from, it being folded up in the box or whatever. I did go in and condition my hair and blow dry it. I knew I wanted to wear a side part, and I knew I wanted to have a little bit of the hair out on the side. So when I put the unit on, that's when I went in and plucked through the hair to see where I was going to have my unit sitting. Wherever I had it sitting, that's where I was going to pluck, which was right up here, to make it look a little bit more natural, and that was it. Y'all saw me tuck the unit up behind my ear, and then I swooped my edges back behind my ear, and y'all, listen. The lace on this unit does look a little ashy, however, it is very, very soft, so it did take my products really well. I used the powder under my lace, and then I used my creamy contour on top of the lace around the hairline, and then top that with the powder contour to set that in place. And y'all, I feel like she looks pretty good, okay? She looks pretty good. I put some powder foundation into my parting space, and that was it, y'all. As far as the hair is concerned, you saw that I did chop her a little bit to get rid of those straggly ends, and then I went in and flat ironed her and bumped her. And y'all, like I said, this hair is soft. It flat irons like a dream. That 180% density is sitting on my head real nice. And I'm sitting too, okay? We sitting together. You hear me? How we thinking? How we thinking this turned out? I think it came out really cute. My cut not really as even as it should be, but you know what? I ain't gonna cut no more, because if I cut any more, then it's just pointless. So I'm gonna leave it. Do y'all see the luster of the hair, the shine? Okay, all the products that I used and showed during my install will be linked down below in the description box under my Amazon link, so you can check them out for yourself. Y'all, I'm feeling this look. I really am. I really am, y'all, because I can't get over it. Like, y'all, this is how that's looking on the side. Wig, me. What's coming down outside? That's okay though. I just wanted to swing my hair. Why am I so extra? Hello. If I put a headband on this joint, look. Okay. Crown me. So if you want to get your coins together and check this unit out for yourself, I will put the direct link for this unit as well as my specs down below in the description box, so you can do that. Shout out one more time to IShowHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.